Ang bango niya, amoy coffee talaga. Sarap kainin. Hi! So today, we're gonna be reviewing the newest collection of Happy Skin, yung Lip Mallow's Coffee Edition. And then we're also gonna be comparing the shades dun sa BLK Fresh Creamy All Over Paint. So, itong Happy Skin Lip Mallow na Coffee Edition, I think is in collaboration with John Ray. So, si John Ray is very good when it comes to lip swatches talaga. Tsaka, he caters to a wider demographic pagdating sa skin tones. Kaya, I was very interested in picking this up. So, I got all 6 shades ng collection. And then, it came in a free tumbler rin na ganito. So, nakasulat, but first coffee, tapos naka-erase siya, tapos lipstick. So, yan. Nakalagay siya dito sa loob. That's how the packaging got here. Ito yung mismong product, and it's very weighty. So, parang mahal yung feeling niya, which is good. Parang may magnet. Ganun yung feeling. Di ko alam bakit. Tapos, very sleek din kasi minimal lang yung design. Kung ano yung shade, ganun yung case niya. So, let's read yung product description niya and yung claims. Treat your lips to ultimate softness with the Lip Mallow Plush Matte Lip Mousse. A velvety air-whipped formula that wraps the lips in a weightless cloud of smooth color with a cushion, soft, powder matte finish. This lippy features marshmallow extract, which has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe the skin, while coffee arabica seed oil provides extra moisture on the lips. It also has SPF 15 for added protection against sun damage. So, yun yung claims niya. Off the bat, I'm very happy dun sa SPF 15 kasi kung napanood yung skincare routine ko, I'll link it there. I actually put lip balm na may SPF 15. So, this does the job plus adds a little bit of color. So, okay yun. Tapos, marshmallow extract. Hindi ko sure kung ano yun. And it says na it's for anti-inflammatory. I'm not quite sure kung bakit kailangan ng anti-inflammatory for the lips. Baka it helps when chapped lips. Diba? Para hindi namamaga yung sugat or whatever. It has 3 ml of product and it's made in Taiwan. Wala siyang expiration date. So, it also says that it's cruelty-free and made for all skin types. Sourced from beauty capitals Korea, Taiwan, Japan. So, the set I got is for 3,199. Comes with the tumbler. Each one costs 549. And then, meron silang mga duos, which is for 1,098. May sleeve na kasama. And then, if you get the whole set, yung buong 14 shades nila, it's 5,999. With tumbler and free sleeve. For this collection, yung Coffee Edition collection, they have 6 shades. And now, let's proceed to the swatches ng shades na to. I'm also gonna be comparing it with the BLK na Fresh collection na Creamy All Over Paint. Cinnamon is a blush brown. Iced coffee, pink brown. Pumpkin spice, burnt brown. Fresh brew, milky brown. Cafe au lait, nude brown. Chai latte, mauve brown. So, very similar yung ibang shades. Very berry is very similar to chai latte. Feeling peachy is similar to cafe au lait. Wondermelon is similar to cinnamon. Pagka binlend mo na yan or pagka hindi naman full pigment mo siya ilalagay, I think it's gonna look the same on the lips. Tapos yung Cocoa Crush, wala siyang similar shade kasi it's very dark. Pero ang lighter equivalent niya, sort of, is iced coffee. Parang lighter version siya ng Cocoa Crush. Huwag na lang natin pansinin yung mukha ko kasi sobrang dami kong dry patches ngayon. Final thoughts. Yung claim niya na velvety air whip formula na weightless, it's all true. Tapos, it's easy to apply. Parang wala kang nilagay. Also, ang bango niya, amoy coffee talaga. Sarap kainin. What I can say lang is pagdating dun sa shades, medyo may mga similar. Like yung pumpkin spice and yung cafe au lait. So, ito yun. Cafe au lait and pumpkin spice. Parang ang nangyari lang is darker lang yung pumpkin spice and then yung cafe au lait a little lighter. Tapos parehas silang parang orangey undertone. So, on the lips, very similar yung itsura nila. And then, another one na halos parehas is yung iced coffee and fresh brew. Yung fresh brew, mas brown lang siya. Yung iced coffee, mas may konting pink. And then, masasabi ko din dun sa fresh brew, medyo patchy siya pagdating sa lips ko. So, overall naman, they're all good. Parang, they're easy to apply and everything. Yun nga, except for the fresh brew na medyo patchy. Favorite shade. So, for me, yung favorite shades ko is yung chai latte and iced coffee. So, yung chai latte is more pinkish brown. Iced coffee is pinkish brown then with more brown. So, yun yung dalawang gusto kong shades. And, ang masasuggest ko is to get those two shades. And if mahilig kayo sa mga parang medyo mauve na berry, parang berry na shades, also get yung cinnamon. Ay, wait lang. Joke lang. Yung gusto ko palang shade is yung cinnamon and yung iced coffee. Cinnamon and iced coffee. Yung chai latte pala yung medyo parang mauve, medyo berry yung look. So, if you're into that, pwede rin to. So, do I recommend this product? Yes, if hindi kayo mahilig dun sa mga mabibigat sa lips na formula, like liquid lipsticks na sobrang drying, or yung bullet lipstick na medyo mas mabigat than this, then this is the product for you. Kasi ito, sobrang lightweight niya talaga. Parang wala. Ganun yung feeling. Parang wala talaga. So, if you're interested, you can get it. I'll link it below. So, yun. That's my review of the newest collection ng Happy Skin, which is yung Lip Mallow Coffee Edition. I hope you enjoyed and you saw kung ano man yung gusto nyo. There. I'll see you on Saturday, or no, on Sunday, for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow all my social media channels, and I'll see you on my next video, Sunday this week.